How are you, my dear students? In the previous class, we had explained about the introduction of cell organelles. Here's the cell organelles, my dear students. Again, I repeat. In the cell organelles, there are main organelles, basically plastids. Here's the photosynthesis based. Second structure is the mitochondria, the energy or the intensity of the energy. The another structure is the cell organelles or the mitochondria, and the third structure is the Golgi body. Basically they secretes enzymes and also the hormones, and fourth is the centrioles. Yes, the centrioles, they also the another very important structure. When in the cell division, they can help in the another plate or the in phase stage. Now, my dear students, today I just explained about the head of the cell organelles. Here's the brain cell of the organelles. The another name is the nucleus. Now, I just explained about the nucleus. I just draw the different parts of nucleus. Here's the different parts of nucleus. Now, we also the explain nucleus. Densest part of protoplasm covered by membrane is nucleus. Every nucleus consists of 4 parts, namely nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nuclear reticulum and the nucleoplasm. My dear students, again I just the labeling. Here the first structure is the 2 layer. Basically they are the 2 layer. This structure is the outer layer and this structure is the inner layer. There another name is the nuclear membrane. Again I just draw this structure is the nuclear membrane, very important outer layer. Here's the first structure is the outer and another is the inner. And second structure is the nucleolus. Here I just draw basically this the pin shape. Basically little pin shape structure of the little pins. The another name is the nucleolus. Here's the another structure is the nucleolus. Third structure is the basically they are also the jelly-like structure, and the another name is the nucleoplasm. My dear students, first structure is the protoplasm, second is the cytoplasm, and third is the nucleoplasm. In the all the structure basically they are also the thick structure or the jelly-shaped structure. Another name is the nucleoplasm. Now I just write this the nucleoplasm. The another structure is the nucleoplasm, and fourth structure is the nuclear reticulum. Here this structure is the chromatin based structure, and the another fiber shaped structure they are is the nuclear reticulum. Now I just write this the nuclear reticulum. My dear students, I just labeling another structure is the nuclear pore. Here this structure is the nuclear pore. So now please everyone draw this structure, very important structure and the very important topics in your syllabus. Now I just explain briefly. First structure is the nucleus. Best time for examining nuclear parts is in interphase stage just before the cell division. 4 parts of nucleus are discussed below. First structure is the nuclear membrane. Now I just draw this structure is the nuclear membrane. Please everyone see the books. The double layered membrane which surrounded the nucleus is nuclear membrane. This membrane is extensively porous. These pores are called nuclear pores. Functions of nuclear membrane is the nuclear membrane are to establish linkage between cytoplasm and nuclear material is to protect the nucleus. Yes, the another structure when I just draw the same structure, they can also the protect about the cytoplasm and also the protoplasm. And functions of nuclear membrane are to establish linkage between the cytoplasm and nuclear materials and to protect the nucleus. Now our next structure is the nucleoplasm. Here's this structure or the jelly-shaped structure is the nucleoplasm. Please everyone see the both. Jelly-like granular and the transparent semi-solid matter covered by the membrane is the nucleoplasm, or another structure is the karyolim. Karyo means, it's come from the Latin words karyon means the nucleus, and karyolim basically jelly-like structure, and the another nucleoplasm, another name is the karyolim. And the karyolim, it functions as matrix for chromosomes, nucleolus, and the controls of physiologic activities of the nucleus. Then the nucleolus, again I just the remarks the nucleolus. What's the nucleolus? Where is it? Basically this structure is the nucleolus. Inside the nucleus there is a small, round, bright and comparatively dense structure known as the nucleolus. Normally, one nucleolus is present is a nucleus. Now, our last structure is the nuclear reticulum or chromatin fiber. My dear students, when I just draw this fiber, little or the thin layer structures, and the another name is the nuclear reticulum. When they are also the thick or the strong structures, then the another name is the chromatid. When they are also the folded structure, the another name is the chromosome. So, the every stage they have also the another names. First structure is the nuclear reticulum. Nuclear reticulum or chromatin fibers, intertwined thread-like structures floating in nucleoplasm, is called nuclear reticulum or chromatin fibers. At the time of cell division, nuclear reticulum breaks into pieces. Each piece is called the chromosomes. Yes, when they are also the again I repeat, the cell division, nuclear reticulum breaks into the pieces. When the nuclear reticulum, this structure, then they are going to the this shape. Then is the another name is the chromatin. When I just draw again, please everyone see this the board. When I just draw this structure, first structure is the chromatin. When they are also the break, then their another structure is the these types of structure. Then it's become the chromosomes. Each piece is called the chromosomes. My dear students, I just explained today the nucleus, the cell membrane, basically not only the cell membrane, in the brain of the cell. Here's the brain of the cell. Basically there are four types of structure. First type is the nuclear membrane, second is the nuclear reticulum, third is the nucleolus, and the fourth is the nuclear reticulum and the nucleoplasm. My dear students, please everyone draw these very important topics or the important structure of nucleus. Today I think that's all, my dear students.